said the waivers, so I waved.
I didn't hear that.
He said, yeah, you guys signed the waivers, right?
Oh, waivers. I just heard.
Pass, must please. Oh my God! That's what sucks about this too, is that my phone will bang around in here.
Yeah.
But I have it so at least my back is to the, and then the front is to my leg.
Oh yeah.
Pretty empty day right now.
So far. Still a weekend too.
I know.
Everybody was just done after Thanksgiving, I guess.
Yeah, pretty much.
Why did I do this? It's the only part I enjoy right here.
This part's cool.
Yeah, this part's fine. No, not so good.
Nathan!
Oh my God!
Right here's
And the worst part.
Yep. So again, I ride it with my ankles to thing, I can do it. That fucking sucks.
It goes from really fun to, oh, this sucks.
It just goes sucks.
Very quickly.